In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Grok Ai. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so the interface appears in the language you prefer, and the change will apply right away. Start by opening Grok in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. That left sidebar is where you'll find your account controls and all the settings we need. It's your main hub for personal preferences. In that left sidebar, look for your profile icon. It typically appears as a small avatar or silhouette. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open your user menu. This menu gives you quick access to the tools that affect how Grok behaves for your account. From the options that appear, select Settings. This is where Grok keeps the controls for features, preferences, and account-specific configurations. Clicking Settings opens a dedicated area with organized sections so you can adjust things without hunting around. Inside Settings, choose the Account section. Think of Account as the place for your personal details and universal preferences, things that apply across the whole app rather than just one conversation. Language lives here, so this is exactly where we want to be. Now look for the language option. You should see a clear label for language in the Account section. This entry is the master switch for the interface text you see throughout Grok, from menus to buttons and navigation labels. Right next to the language label, you'll find a change control. Click Change to open the list of available languages. This brings up a selector that lists all supported options, so you can pick the one that best fits your needs. When the list appears, select your preferred language. Take a moment to ensure you choose the correct variant if there are regional options available. As soon as you make your selection, Grok will apply that preference to the interface. And that's it, the language will change automatically. You should see the app update to reflect your new choice without any extra steps. Menus, labels, and controls will all match the language you selected, helping you navigate more comfortably and confidently. To recap, you opened Grok, used the left sidebar to access your profile icon, went into Settings, then Account, found Language, clicked Change, picked your language, and the interface updated on its own. If you ever want to switch again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Grok in the language that works best for you.